Good day. Still on a indical equation, but looking at this is a simultaneous equation. Yeah, this is a simultaneous equation that is wrapped in indices. So we need to unwrap the simultaneous equation from this expression. Now, this is actually containing two equations. This is one, that is 2 raised power 2x minus 3y. Now take note, this is the power, then equals to 32. Now the next one is 3 raised power x minus 2y equals 81. Now here we will need to decode or unwrap the equations in these two expressions. Now let us get started. From the first one, we have 2 raised power 2x minus 3y equals to 32. Now take note that here we have a base of 2, and here we have a base of 32. Now since we have the smaller, or probably no, let's say the common base between 2 and 32 here is 2. Now what we need to do now is to convert this to a base of 2 with its power. Now if you are to convert this to a base of 2, now what power will that 2 have to give you 32? And in normal sense, this should give you 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is 4 times 4, yeah, times 2, which is 16, times 2, which is what? 32. So as such, now this is how many? 1 2 3 4 5. So this is 2 raised to power 5. Now that we've gotten that here is 2 raised to power 5, we can now say 2 raised to power 2x minus 3y equals to 2 raised to power 5. Now that we have a common base between the left hand side and the right hand side, let us cancel out. So here we have 2x minus 3y equals to 5. Now this is for equation 1. Now let us come over to this side. Here we have 3 raised to power x minus 2y equals to 81. The same thing we did here, that's what we're going to do here. Well, in this case now, here we have a base of 3 here and a base of 91. Now what is the common factor between 3 and 81? Here we have 3, which means make this a base of 3, and what power will 3 have to give you 81? Now we can probably split like this, and thank God it's a perfect square. So here you can say this is 9 times 9, now which is also can give you 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is 1 2 3 4. So here we have 3 raised to power 4. All right, in that vein, so we can say here this is 3 raised to power 3 minus 2y equals to 3 raised to power 4. So you can now cancel out the base. So here we have that x minus 2y equals to 4. This is equation 2. You can now say now we now have a simultaneous equation. All right, now the next thing to do now is to simplify this to give us our y and x. Okay, using the elimination method here, what we need to do here now is let us see, here we have 2x. okay, now let us multiply this by 1, let us multiply this by 2, and the reason why I'm multiplying this is to eliminate a common factor here. No, not a factor, a common term here. So this times this, we have 2x. Now 1 times minus 3 and equals to 5. So 2 times 2x, here you have 2x, then minus 4y, then equals 8, which means this times this times this times 4, we have 8. Now here we will now eliminate. Now you can see we now have this common term here. Now this minus this will give us 0. Now minus 3y minus this. Now in a nutshell, let me just simplify it here for you. This is minus 3y minus 4y, which will now give us minus 3y plus 4y, and minus 3y minus plus 4y will give us what? Y. So as such, this is y equals to, then here for this 2, this is simply saying 5 minus 3, which is sorry, 5 minus 8, which is what? Minus 3. So here we have what? Minus 3. By virtue of this calculation now, y equals to minus 3. All right, so let us now look for the value of x. Okay, so here now, since our y is minus 3 here, so we can put minus 3 in either of the equation, there equation 1 or equation 2. So as such here, let us use equation 1. You have 2x minus 3 into minus 3 equals 5. So here we have 2x minus 3 times minus 3 will give us plus 9 equals to 5. I hope it's been okay. So here we have 2x. Now when we transpose this, collecting like term, so we have the 5 minus 9. Then 2x will now give us 5 minus 9 will give us minus 4. So in this case, for us to find the value of x, we will divide both sides by 2, which is its coefficient. Now this divided by this divided by 2. So here we have what? Minus 2. So our x now will now give us minus 2. So y equals minus 3. All right, I believe you understand. It's very simple and clear. All right, thank you. Okay, let me quickly give you an assignment. All right, now here is an assignment for you. 2 raised power 2x plus 4y equals 4, and 3 raised to power 3x plus 5y minus 81 equals 4. Don't be confused about this. This is the same thing as saying 3 raised to power 3x plus 5y then equals 81. Okay, so there you have it. The answer for this particular question, after solving it, I actually got x equals to 3 and y equals to minus 1. So this should be your answer after solving this. All right, thank you and God bless you.